Blizzard Beach.
We spent most of our time here at Blizzard Beach in the kids section called Tikes Peak. They have a frozen themed splash pad area with lots of kid slides.
Henry, come on. Woo! Safe. Was that fun? Yeah, you can do another one? You can do another one. Oh, what are you doing? Are you picking up the leaves? Good job. All right, hop up. Henry, Henry, Henry. Ah. Watch it, buddy.
Henry! Oh, buddy! Hi, buddy! What are you doing, silly boy? He's spitting out water. So silly. Henry!
Wave at mama. Wave at mama. Say bye. Say hi.
First ride as a family.
It's okay. We're just walking through, baby.
Just walking through it. You run through it. Look at you, Bubba. Woohoo!
Keep going.
Woohoo! Yeah! Ruth, thumbs up. Was that good, Bubba? That was fun. Whoa! That was good. We just got off the family ride. What'd y'all think?
10 out of 10.
It was really fun. Both of the kids loved it. Waiting in line was not fun, but they did so good. Right, Ruth? You liked it?
That was like the best ride of my whole life.
Best ride of my whole life. There you go. Lunch for today. Got pizza. This is like a rice bowl. It's got stir-fry veggies, shrimp. Looks yummy.
Shrimp.
You want some shrimp?
Mm-hmm.
You want some?
Yeah, it's hot.
Is it hot?
Yeah, it's hot.
No, it isn't. It's not hot. It's cold.
It's cold?
Yeah.
Let me know what you think. I thought it was really good. I brought beach toys for the kids to play with. They had lots of sandy areas that were shaded for kids to play in. Look at Mama. Are you being silly? Really? Was that silly? You sick? What's your face? No reaction. Henry, look here. Look at you. No. We're riding again with the whole family. Everyone's in line this time. But we're in line for the chairlift right now, and then we'll ride the big family ride at the top. That was.
He got scared there for a second. He went from all excitement.
Snack break. They got ice cream, Mickey bars. Kiddos are loving it. They get one special treat a day if they're good and have good attitudes, right, buddy? And you want a Mickey bar today? That's so yummy. But they've been playing at Tikes Peak, which is like the cutest little kids area. That's where we're like set up over here. They have lots of like shade over here. We've just been hanging out playing for the entire morning. It's been really, really nice. We've done the big family ride, the Teamboat Springs, a couple times with the kids. That's probably Henry's favorite ride. He loves it. He laughs the whole time. Super, super sweet. But I think we might head over to Typhoon Lagoon later. I don't know for sure. We'll kind of see how everyone's feeling. Henry,
so it doesn't melt.
Grace, what'd you get? You get a Mickey bar? That looks so yummy. Henry, what'd you get?
There's cream.
There's ice cream.
Like the tea.
You like that? That's so yummy. It's been a crazy day. Took me forever to get the room set up, and the kids did not get a nap today, and we were going to go to Typhoon Lagoon this afternoon, but we decided we're just going to stay at the hotel, swim here at the pool, get dinner here, like some pizza or something, and just kind of chill and go to bed early since the kids didn't get a nap. So I think that'll be good. We're hanging out, swimming right now. They have a little splash pad area, and then I think we're just gonna see how the day goes. Oop, I gotta go. He's waving. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Hello, world.